Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the cool Master MB311L ARGB case for your desktop computer. So let's go ahead and open up the box right now. So I'm kind of doing like a second PC build for my nephew right now, and I want to get him something a little bit cheaper, but something he could also upgrade into the future. So I went ahead and got this case that has some pretty cool RGB fans on the front that have lights on them that you can change the color of. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so this case actually cost me $60 off of Amazon, and it seems like it's going to fit the motherboard I'm ordering, the graphics card, and everything else, and I shouldn't have a problem with it. So let's go ahead and open it up and just see for ourselves. So there's only 2 stock fans on this case. I think I will buy some more at some point in time, depending on how cool the system actually stays with just those 2 stock fans. Probably add one at the back at some point for the exhaust. Alright, so I got that undone. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. Let's see, is this the bottom or the top? Let's go ahead and just pull it up this way regardless. Alright, so nothing else is left in the box. So pretty much just gonna flip it up here. Okay, so this is the side and this will be the top. Just take off the styrofoam. So we got some instructions on the back here. Going to take off this plastic. Well, this looks actually pretty nice in person. So here we have it, right here. This is the case. So was it tempered glass on the side here? And we got 4 kind of like screws here. Can I do them by hand? No, I will have to get a screwdriver to undo that just to look inside a little bit easier. I'll do that in a second. Looks like we have plenty of areas for air movement to go through the case here on top. Also on the sides here, you can see there's ventilation holes. So you can kind of see the 2 fans in here. It's kind of hard to see without them being lit up. I believe this top part actually comes off so we can actually get to the fans. I don't know how to do that. So on the front here we have our power button, it seems like, 2 USB 3.0s, microphone, headset, and then what is this last one? Looks like a kind of refresh button or something. Maybe this is just for the fans and the colors. I'll have to see when I actually plug everything in. Alright, so here is the back side. This is what it looks like. I have my power supply at the bottom here on this case. Yeah, this is looking good. Well ventilated all over the place. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and just peek inside of it. Alright, so this side is just sliding off after I screwed it a little bit. So, there's some kind of material on here. Oh, okay, so this is magnetic and I believe this will go on the top right here. So if you're looking for that, that's on the side panel. Cool beans, I didn't know that. So this is what it looks like after I took off that side panel. I'll have all my cords here that are kind of tied together. And what is this down here? It looks like we got a bunch of different stuff. We have extra brackets for the hard drive, I believe. Go ahead and just get to that right away and just see what we have in there. Yeah, So we got some zip ties in here, and then we have some, I don't know exactly what these are called. I just call them brackets for the hard drive. You'll take your hard drive, put them in like this on the sides, and then you'll slide them in at the bottom here. And I'll kind of mount it a little bit easier. What is this? I'm not sure what this is actually. It looks like a power switch and a ARGB, something for the fans, I'm assuming. Alright, so what else do we have here? Alright, looks like we got a bunch of little screws and pins. I believe this is for mounting extra fans and then putting in your like solid state hard drives. You'll put these little screws on the bottom and you put your hard drives in here, I believe. Do they screw on to the side right here? And you'll just put your hard drives right there, your solid state hard drives. Thought there's supposed to be some rubber, there's some rubber, how would you say, headers? Let's just call them rubber headers. These will go right in here, I believe. These will go with when you're mounting the hard drives. So I believe, how many we got in here? It looks like 4, maybe 8 of them. So that's good. I didn't realize we were getting all this stuff in here too, along with the case. So I definitely have some hard drives I'm going to be mounting in with these, so I want to keep these in a good spot. So this is how it looks on the back side here. I'll put all these cables over here for now. Depending on how many hard drives you want to put in. I have a 2.5mm hard drive for my PlayStation that I'm going to be slotting in here just for extra storage. Then I have a hybrid drive I'm going to be slotting in right here too. So it looks pretty good, and I'll have enough room for my power supply to put it on the back side there. Looking at it for the wiring, I mean, you don't have that much room between the back and where you're going to be sliding over that cover. And I would say maybe about 1 inch of space. So you might run out of room if you're going to be mounting all those different wires for the power supply. We'll see if I run into that issue at all. Let's go ahead and... Oh, so this is what the bottom looks like, I should say. Bottom looks good. Let's go ahead and open up this glass side. So these don't actually come out. You can just unscrew them a little bit, and then there's little rubber paddings on the back here. And you can just lift it off and they'll stay connected to the glass. I'm just going to take off the plastic here. So at any point in time you want to go ahead and purchase this or look at it on Amazon, go ahead and click the Amazon affiliate link down below and to help me out, I'll get a small commission for each sale. Helps me do these little unboxing videos that I like to do every so often. Get a nice zoom in here just to show off everything. And then here's what the fans look like on the back side. So I might be mounting more fans in here. There's some room at the top here, and then the exhaust obviously. I thought I could get into this front area. Let's see if I can figure out how to do that. Well, that's going to have to be for another video. But if this video did indeed get you a closer look at this case, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more unboxing videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.